going to draw a cute schoolboy with sparkling eyes and a bright smile. Start by drawing a gentle curve for the boy's face. Next, draw a short hairstyle and add a few small strands of hair to make it look more natural, making the boy look fresh and dynamic. Don't forget to draw big round eyes, a cute little nose, and a big smile to make the schoolboy look happy and friendly. Now it's time to draw the boy's body, starting with a simple shirt. Maybe adding details like a collar and a few buttons to make it more lively. Draw two small hands waving hello, creating a cheerful and cute pose. Next, draw cute pants or shorts. Don't forget to add dynamic sneakers to make the boy more personality and strong. Let's color the picture. Choose bright and cute colors like blue, yellow, brown to make the picture more vivid. Your drawing is finished. Have fun drawing and don't forget to add a bit of creativity to make your schoolboy look special.